Hi everyone, I'm Eric Karkovac. I'm a freelance web designer and writer with over 25 years of experience. Along the way, I've noticed that many clients and colleagues continue to struggle with the WordPress Block Editor. So I'm creating a series of quick tutorials to help you use this tool like a pro. Now the Block Editor enables us to create complex page layouts that combine text and media. That's great, but it's also difficult to find your way through the series of blocks within. Sometimes designers nest blocks inside each other. That makes editing a specific block a challenge. It's a common issue when searching for the right group or column block. So today's tip is all about navigating your page more efficiently. Even better, you can do so in just one click. Okay, we're in the WordPress Block Editor, and as you can see, I've got this beautiful page full of bird photos. We have all sorts of different blocks on here, but without really knowing what blocks are being used, okay, I can see some text, I can see some buttons, we have photos, but how do we look at this in a more holistic way and figure out how exactly this page has been built? The list view is going to allow us to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here in the upper left-hand corner. And you can see the list view shows us a sequential view of every block that makes up this page. So I can click in here to this group block, and you'll see it's highlighted down here. The second group block will highlight the second row of columns we've got going here. The cover block is what we've got up top. So I can go in and click around and see just how far this goes. So you see we've got a column block here with a cover image of a sparrow, the text that says sparrow, a separator block, which provides the nice little visual line, and a button block. So I can go in and more easily change these things around. For example, what if I wanted to make these columns in a different order? What if I wanted the sparrow in the middle and the parrot on the left? I could actually just grab this column block and move it. And that would be something darn near impossible to do without the list view feature, because we wouldn't even know where to begin. Here we've got total control over all of our blocks. If we want to change, for example, a cover block setting, we can go in and look here to the right. We've got all of our settings here. We can change the photo, we can change the view. We can even change the overlay opacity here and make it a little bit lighter if we wanted to let it stand out amongst our columns, change typography, all that good stuff. And some of what you'll see here depends on how your page is made up, of course, and what type of theme you're using. But the bottom line is this list view is going to make life so much easier. You're going to be able to see everything that the page contains, and you're going to have ready access to edit, remove, or switch things around however you see fit. So I hope that's helpful. I know navigating the block editor can be a challenge sometimes. So the list view is something I recommend you use every time you're editing or creating a page, because it's going to make life that much easier.